Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we can create a simple put API using Node.js. We use a postman to send data and update in database. Let's start code. So, I have opened my code editor. Here, we have an index.js file and a config.js file. In the config.js file we have kept the database connection. First we imported the MongoDB module. Then, select the database which you want to connect. Then, give the path of your local server. Then, connect with client. Next, I create a function with the name of dbconnect, which return collection of database. At the end, export dbconnect function. I can use ecom database which have one collection named products. In this collection I have some record of product, and we can update this record using put API. Open index.js file. Now import express module. Then import dbconnect module from config.js file. Create an app or make express executable. Next, choose a port where you want to open this app. I choose 5000. Now, use the app.put method. In first parameter we define a route, the create an arrow function. In arrow function we have two parameter request and response. You can give any name to it. Now, use res.send method to check our put method work properly or not. Open your terminal. Then run index.js file. Next, open your postman. Then select put method. Here you enter the URL of your app. I write http://localhost 5000. Click on send button. In bottom container you can see, it returned true, so our put API work. Now, I send data through postman. For this click on body, next click on raw and select JSON format. In postman I write name of the product. Here, I write M40. Open index.js file. We write a code for getting postman data. First I write console.log method, in this I write req_body. req.body is used to get data from postman. When we get data from postman we need to convert it in JSON format. So I write app_use method and in this I write express JSON method. Again open postman. Now, I get this data in a terminal. Click on send button. You can see in bottom container I get true, that mean it's worked properly. And you can also see I successfully get the name in terminal which I can send through postman. Now, I send this data in database instead of showing on terminal. I comment the console.log method. Next, I use dbconnect method. This dbconnect method return promises, so we create a function async to handle the promise. Next, we update one method to update the record in database. In this we have two objects. In first object we pass condition and in second object we pass the changing value. In first object I pass M40 which is the name of product who save in my database collection. I update this record. Next we pass another object and in this object I set the data which I get from postman. It contain an also object but req_body method return data in object. Now our code is finished. Open postman. Now I change the name of product and its price. For this I write this data in postman and send in the database collection. Click on send button. Here, you can see our first record name and price will be update because our first and last record name are same M40. Because we use update one method so it update only one record at a time, and our first record match first and it's update the first record. If you want to update many record at a time, Then, you can use Insert Many method. Now I update one more record. I want to update iPhone 13 name and its price. Copy this name because we need to pass this name in a condition as same. Instead of M40 I write iPhone 13. Now open Postman and send a record again. Here, I change the previous record to iPhone 7 and its price 900. Click on Send button. Reload database. And you can see, our record successfully updated. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.